Hi everyone, today we have a BMW, the new model 2023, the number 5 series, and let's enjoy this driving, and after that I will share my opinion about this car, the pros and cons. Let's do it. Soft material, plastic, hard, soft, kind of leather, soft, the same as leather, built solid, hard plastic, here is soft, plastic, soft here, and a little bit soft here. Kind of leather, soft, wheel is a little bit soft as well. Rear seats, room in the back is okay. Not too much. Seats quality is very nice. Build quality is good. Cup holders and armrest. Soft touch here. Comfortable for long journeys. The door material is soft touch here, plastic, leather, kind of soft. Even here is some sort of almost soft plastic, but quality is really nice. I believe it's time to share my personal opinion about this car, what I do like, what I don't. So let's start. First of all, this car have amazing build quality. The overall material quality, build quality is amazing in this car. I really love it. Each part of this car, from interior, like the soft plastic, leather, it's really amazing. The second thing I really do like is the seats. This car have very comfortable seats. I have tried a lot of cars, but the seats in this 2023 model is amazing. Very soft, comfortable. You can hold your back from the sides. In general, feeling is amazing when you're driving this car. And I think you already noticed it. The third part is sound insulation. Really good sound insulation in this car. I believe it even better than in previous models. I mean BMW 5 series. And what I don't like in this car, first of all, is a heavy wheel. I know it's a BMW style to have heavy wheels, but just it's not my style. I prefer a bit lighter wheels, so for me it's a disadvantage. The second disadvantage, or what I don't like, but it's a common problem with all turbo engines, it's a little turbo lag. When you're just pressing the acceleration pedal and car think for like half a second what to do. But like I said, it's a common problem for every engine that have turbo. Let's enjoy the POV style driving for a couple of minutes more. And what can I say, if this car is your dream car, this dream is definitely worth it. It's a perfect car, interesting, nice to drive, so keep dreaming, and maybe, and I'm sure your dream will come true.